Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn how to set up the React project with Vite. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the command that we have to run and create the Vite project with the React. So go to the terminal and you open the React project. Just open terminal like this and just use Node. Make sure you have Node installed. So here I'm going to use my node version nvm use node 20. So make sure nvm and the node package and npm both are installed. Okay, so I'm assuming that one. So here create Vite at the latest. So yes, and whether you go with the vanilla view react, so this is here I need to choose react. Okay, so whether you go with the TypeScript swc, JavaScript swc or remix, so basically I will go with the JavaScript. Okay, this is done. Let's go to the cd my react app. Okay, let's install npm install and then npm run dev. Npm run dev. Okay, let's try to open it. So here you can see Vite plus react. Okay, so the counterpart is there. So this is how very simple, very easy. So how to set up the react project with the Vite. So this is how you can do that. Any issue, any doubt, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.